Hello fellow creators, welcome back to the channel. If you're a graphic designer or just getting started, today's video is for you. I'll be sharing the top mobile apps I use personally to create stunning designs even without a laptop, from idea to final export. These tools have helped me stay creative and productive on the go. Let's break it down. The first is Pixellab. Yeah, some of you might know Pixellab, but some might not. So Pixellab is my base design application, and most of my designing, editing starts from here. It is an easy application and easy to use. It is very easy to use. The second is Photopea. Some of you guys might know this website, while some might not even have heard its name or seen it. So it is a Photoshop alternative. It is second Photoshop, but it is online. It is used for advanced designs and layering. The third of them is Snapseed. This application is used for polishing and photo or design enhancement. Once you know photo editing techniques, you can make use of this application. It is very useful for and very good for photo or design enhancement. The fourth one is Remini. I use Remini for upscaling and improving photo quality before or after design, and it also have many other features in it, like AI animation or turning a photo into an anime. At number 5, we have Photo Room. This application is a good and perfect application for removing background. When I mean removing background, I mean removing image background to turn it into PNG. Yeah, and it also have this feature that it does not reduce image quality during the background removal, and it also have fast mockups in the application. Number 6 goes to Pinterest. This application serves as my go-to source for inspirations, not still inspirations, but draw inspirations and trends. And not only draw inspirations and trends, you can also download backgrounds or even HD quality images or icons from this application. This application is very useful for a designer, and without this application, I don't mean you cannot download icon from websites, but with this application, with this application, you can go far with it. The last but not least is Chrome. We all know Chrome. I don't need to explain this application. Everybody knows Chrome. This application, I use it for downloading fonts, assets, and PNGs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next one. Great tips.